Welcome to Bohinj. Good morning from Lake Bohinj. Let's check out the weather. Oh, that is Lake Bohinj, and I guess we have one of the closest hotels to the lake. Let's grab some breakfast in the gondola and maybe the waterfall or something, but let's hope the weather clears up. It literally just started pouring rain. No idea what's going to happen. Hopefully the rain will calm down and then we could get better views. We just arrived early morning at the base camp of the hike to Savica Waterfall, which is one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Slovenia. They say it's only about 15 minutes, but it's all stairs going up. So let's get ready for this hike. There's something like 500 steps, like actual steps, going to the waterfall, and there's a bench halfway. Just in case you're a little out of shape like me, but still want to do it and get fit. Okay, we made it to the viewing platform. You guys ready? September is great because there's no tourists, or not that many tourists, but at any point in time it can rain like crazy. And people are actually walking up right now. We luckily got here at like 8 in the morning. Whoa, look at that. That's the original cable car from 1964. That's pretty crazy. Now we're at the Vogel Cable Car, and there's supposed to be amazing views, but right now with the rain and the fog, we don't know if it's going to be that great, but it's starting to clear up a little bit. We're hoping that the sun will peek through, but look at how steep that is at the way in. We are back at the gondola because this is supposed to be the clearest day of the trip and the only way to get good views, and it looks like it's finally clearing up, so hopefully this will be a good trip to the top of the mountain. We'll get some great views. That was a pretty crazy gondola ride. I have never been on a gondola like that before. Ear pressure change and then going straight up at the end. It's a little freaky if you are scared of heights, but I'm going to try to get onto this viewing platform. Oh, Jesus Christ. I have no idea why I was that freaked out going to that viewing platform. I guess old age, more risk adverse, but like some of the metal was bending under me. I don't think I've ever been that scared in my life, and I don't know why. I've been bungee jumping from a gondola before. I was probably more freaked out just now. We can go paragliding up here. This is a ski resort, so during the winter time, there's another gondola over there. And then I think after that, there's another one, so you can go for quite a bit. Nice little playground. This is cute. I'm gonna go sit on one of these swings. Oh my God. Oh, and it's actually warm up here. That's the cool thing. I brought a jacket. I don't need it. I'm in shorts and it's like 80 degrees up here. And then there's the lodge here. So I'm sure you can get rooms. Oh, there's a cat up here. Do you enjoy the Alps? You're on a mission. They got pizza up here. Got some good food. If you are a hiker, there are so many hiking trails up here, and a lot of people on the gondola had their full-on gear, tents and everything. And so you can bring that all up here and hike for miles. This whole area is amazing. No friends? That kind of sucks. Don't spit on me, please. You're kind of cute. Just don't spit on me. Today's supposed to be the best day, the clearest day, and the sun is finally clearing up all the fog, so we're going to wait. And it's 10 a.m. I know, I'm having a beer at 10 a.m. I'm bad. How many people can say they had a beer on top of Mount Vogel? Whole day is messed up with this rain, and now we're gonna try to check out the lake a little bit. So it's kind of cool, a little bit surreal, huh? Maybe I should shut up. So there's actually these paths all around the lake from the west side. We're now on the east side. You could spend days, if not weeks, hiking all the different trails, from flat, easy trails all the way to very, very difficult, day-long, steep sort of hiking, climbing trails. This is fun, even with the rain. I'm glad I got hiking boots on. But Lake Bohinj is the largest and deepest lake in Slovenia. It goes all the way down to 80 meters deep in the middle. And you can scuba dive here. Never scuba dived a lake. But if that's something that interests you, not sure what's down there, but it's an option. So this is St. John the Baptist Church, if you were wondering. And I want to show you something very interesting here. I was wondering what they meant by this, your step matters. They actually blocked this off now because people were cutting across this field. And if you ever wondered about the damage that humans do to nature, look at this. Hundreds, if not thousands of people trampled through this, destroyed the ground. And so they're trying to grow it back now. So it was built in the mid-11th century or late 10th century. Pretty interesting, huh? So these frescoes some of them go all the way back to 1300. And this was also a very important pilgrimage. Welcome to Bohinj. Thank you very much. This is nice. It's quite pretty. So this statue is an homage to the 4 men who climbed the highest mountain in Slovenia, Mount Triglav, and they climbed it in 1778. And Mount Triglav is the pride of Slovenia. Okay, you have not officially made it to Bohinj unless you've taken a picture in front of the Goldhorn Ibex, which is right here. Dun, 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 dun. Today is gorgeous. We're gonna get some good shots now of Lake Bohinj that we missed the other day. Cool little bar right on the water. And this is where everybody all day long has been walking across. So this is an outflow from the lake, not the river going in, the river going out. You gotta be careful on this bridge because it's for cars. And there's like a little line and people keep walking by and I'm like trying to make sure I'm not getting hit like by that guy. Anyways, here's the lake in the evening. It's very still and very clear. Watch out for cars. They go really fast around here, so be careful when you're walking around. I know it's nice to look at nature, but I want you safe. All right, we're grabbing dinner. It's another burger place. I know you're disappointed, but we'll get some Slovenian food later on in the trip. It's just that there's not a lot of restaurants here. 3 pizzerias and like 3 burger joints, okay? That took forever. We waited like half an hour to get in.
Union, like this one,
Yep.
are the most common Slovenian lagers.
Okay, I'll just take the Union large. One thing I want to show you guys, just like in Poland, if you get a 1/3 liter, it's 3.1 euros. And if you go for a half liter, it's 3.5 euros. Always get the large. Okay, we got the 2 most popular Slovenian beers you can get anywhere. Union, and this one is called Zlatorog. It's a light beer, smooth, crisp, no hops. Good with me. Now let's try the Union. You mix the beers. Okay. Can barely taste the difference between those two. I would say this one has probably a little bit more flavor, and that's the Union. All right, check out this burger. That is a pretty hefty burger. Look how tall. Look at how tall that is. It's a pretty good burger. Bun's a little dry, but the meat is actually really good. I wouldn't say it's like over the top, like amazing, but it's a good burger. So if you want a good burger in Bohinj, this is a good spot to come.